Finches are among the most diverse and adaptable birds, captivating ornithologists and nature enthusiasts alike with their vibrant plumage, melodic songs, and incredible evolutionary adaptations. With over 200 species found across every continent except Antarctica, finches showcase a remarkable ability to thrive in a wide range of habitats, from dense forests and grasslands to arid deserts and urban areas. These small, lively birds are known for their social nature, often traveling in flocks and filling the air with cheerful, complex melodies. One of the most famous groups of finches is Darwin's finches, native to the Galapagos Islands. These birds became a cornerstone of Charles Darwin's groundbreaking work on the theory of evolution by natural selection. With their varying beak shapes and sizes, each species of Darwin's finch has evolved to specialize in different food sources, such as seeds, insects, or flowers. This incredible diversity, driven by the unique conditions of the Galapagos, highlights the finch's adaptability and underscores the intricate connections between species and their environments. Finches come in a dazzling array of colors and patterns, from the bright yellows of the American goldfinch to the fiery reds of the house finch. Their plumage often serves multiple purposes, such as attracting mates or providing camouflage from predators. Beyond their physical beauty, finches play an important ecological role as seed dispersers. Their diet primarily consists of seeds, fruits, and insects, and their foraging helps maintain the health and diversity of ecosystems. Despite their resilience, finches face growing challenges due to habitat loss, climate change, and invasive species. Many species, including Darwin's finches, are under threat as their natural habitats are altered or destroyed. Conservation efforts, such as habitat restoration and invasive species control, are vital to ensuring these remarkable birds continue to thrive. Finches are more than just small, colorful songbirds. They are a testament to the beauty and adaptability of nature. Their songs brighten our lives, their evolutionary history inspires scientific discovery, and their ecological roles remind us of the delicate balance in our natural world. Protecting finches means preserving not only these enchanting creatures, but also the ecosystems they inhabit, ensuring their songs endure for generations to come.